How's them Hondas doing back there? Are they building up a head of steam yet? Another log on the fire?
Yeah. My dash is starting to dry out.
Condensation, ba-dum boom.
Yeah.
Condensation, ba-dum boom. Condensation, that's what you need.
Even Roy Castle knew back then.
It did.
I'd see the Fool's Health Farm.
Fucking hell. It's got a sweat all thinking about it.
Yeah, I know. Fuck me, I'm getting out of breath.
Yeah, you've got to turn around in the car park and tell everyone you've been to the health farm today.
I think one of them sheep just winked at me.
That was PTSD from last time.
She wants me. She wants me.
4 lambs at the gate shouting, Dad!
Well, we've only missed one turn in today so far.
Yes,
Hey, you jinxed it. You've done it now. You said it.
Oh, there'll be more. I guarantee there'll be more.
absolutely.
Are we going up Porlock today, are we?
Yeah, I want to see his face when I give him a £20 note.
Get for the change anyway,
Steve's got his arcade bag of coins with him.
Yeah, yeah.
They're 40 quid in 2 pence pieces.
I'm going to pull right over, right in front of him. Oh, yes, a grey head. It's got a blue rinse.
He could have waited until he got an answer before he shot down the side.
Oh, fuck me, I thought that'd been Luton then.
Well, with following knowledge, anything's possible.
Yeah, I was going to say, it fucking might be in a minute. I think I'll change the batteries before we go up Porlock Hill.
Yeah, we could do with a 10-minute stop. Have a quick.
I've got to get off and take the pressure off the piles. It's like sitting on a bunch of grapes.
One thing I ain't got my first aid kit, so you're out of luck.
Well, ain't a soul.
Ain't it so, isn't it?
See the old turret sticking out the hill up there, look?
Yeah.
Dunster. So you got Butlin's Minehead over here on the right.
Oh, yeah.
Specialities of food poisoning, dysentery. Over there,
E.
let's
coli.
see the old
If you
dude
go to
there.
the singles night, they give you syphilis.
For free.
There's his big top.
Sort of places you don't have to go down to the quayside to do a bit of crabbing, you just whack it in the local tar. All them lovely scenic laybys.
Yeah, I know. We
put
put a fucking bus stop.
On a housing estate, yeah.
Oh, I just got a message from Timu.
Well, we miss you.
Yeah, please come back.
Can't
get me glove off.
Oh,
Quick bit of savage.
Right after this Audi.
oh, she's got a big set of numbers.
Oh,
Says you're looking at the car.
Oh,
Ding
look at the
dong.
knockers.
I bet her penis is bigger than his, though.
it's like that, I don't care.
GS wanker, GS wanker. There you go, let you get a nod off a GS, then you say, oh, fuck that, they're Hondas.
You got me by Apple, wouldn't you, lot?
I would, but the last one I took got stuck in my throat, landed up with a fucking stiff neck.
Those heated seats are like the ones in cars. So when you sit there, it makes you feel like you've wet yourself.
Having never wet myself, I wouldn't know the experience.
Oh, you haven't lived.
It feels like sitting on a heated seat.
Oh, there you go.
My boss has got me in his Land Cruiser. When I sit on there, it feels like the bloody seat's wet.
I wouldn't be with my heated seats in the car.
The seat was wet, you just told it's a heated seat.
Bet a few dead bodies on that one.
Yes. Right, let's fucking... It's like on tis now.
Have I been switching stuff on?
I'm on. Do you want to stop and turn it on?
No, I don't know if I've got the remote. I just wondered, is it worth switching on?
Yeah, we're going to go up the old zigzag bit of the toll road in a minute, so it zigzags up that.
Oh, hang on then. Do it.
You got two routes. You got the main road, and there's just really one sharp hairpin, which is on quite a camber. But this one, the toll road is there's a few in there. Get out of that.
Lovely old church.
Church Piggy.
Oh, church piggy. Are we in Amsterdam? See tulips. Oh,
Must
God.
be a bit of Germany going on.
You tell me he's parked there, is he? Oh, he's just hit that car up in.
Fuck yeah, no.
Whoops, a daisy.
Get in or out?
I have no idea. I think he's trying to get in.
It's interesting. He's thinking, fuck it, that'll do.
Yeah.
If I could drive, that'd be my parking.
If he was in a Honda Jazz, that's exactly
You
how it
couldn't
would
get that in
park.
there.
Fuck me.
Jesus.
Scenic Woodland Road.
Scenic Woodland, eh? So this is a... What toll road is this?
Porlock.
Porlock Toll Road. I want to go in front and tell, but the guy's just going to pay, and there's 37 of us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're not bikers then.
No.
Oh, they're dogs. Give us away by the four legs and the waggy tail and the wolf.
They're not blood knives.
Keep your eye open for the bench up on the right in a minute, and you get, although it looks quite hazy, doesn't it? You get a view down over the coast.
I don't even think I'm recording. Hang on. Fucking thing. What's that? Nope. I'm going to have to do it manually. Right. Or is it you get to the good bit, your camera plays up?
Yeah, sod's law, innit?
Are you having to reboot it?
Yep. Always does it on a twisty road, though. When they're on a straight bit,
Yeah. Fucking sod's law,
I
innit?
can't get this to record. So anywhere it's a bit nice.
Yeah, there's a bench up here on the right. We'll stop there, and you'll get the view down over anyway.
Just one record, no, I'm not all I do.
There you go.
Can't get this to record.
Down over yonder, look.
Ah, you too. Yeah, get your phone out. This is...
If you stop there in the gap, I'll stop in this gap. Very nice.
A lovely cottage down there with that massive magnolia bush.
I'll take
Oh
it.
yeah. I said when we go around the hairpins, just give each other a bit of space. Then if I fall off, it won't make you stop in a hurry. He said it won't.
yeah.
I'll just fucking drive over you.
Lovely. Well, we're ready to move when you are, guys.
Shame that's so hazy.
Right, see?
Really?
Is this one way, is it?
No, I don't think it is.
So.
No, it's not. I'm sure it's not. No, it's not. Look, because that sign's facing that way.
On the other side of the road then.
Yeah.
It looks there ain't like.
This is very much like parts of northern Luxembourg.
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've done a
a
few
lot of
of
this
these
there.
routes.
A lot of it. Look, dogging.
Oh, he stopped where the bench was.
Doing a bit of dogging. He opened his window a little bit.
Oh, there's another bench there, look.
Be a bad place to sit and spend half an hour contemplating.
Yeah, with a coffee.
Wrapping the road here.
Might be able to fucking rock.
Yeah, a few potholes.
Yeah, it's the only difference between this school and Luxembourg. You don't find any in it.
Right, we got one of the hairpins in a minute. See, I've never done this road. Always gone up the main road. No, always gone up the main one. So yeah, you want to drop back a bit, and in case I've bin it. Look on the bright side.
Well, I say, is there anything coming down, Dion?
Oh look, little grey
Can't
squirrel.
see anything coming down.
Get your dog out. Now you're clear, all of you clear.
Bit,
My remote key isn't in range.
I hate doing them ones when you're in the Alps doing their hairpins like that when it's absolutely fucking chucking it down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting doing it without a clutch as well.
Yeah, it is. See, what I'd be intrigued
Right,
to try.
this is where we pay.
I'd be intrigued to try the automatic BMW. I'd have to try it before ruling it out completely. But part of me just says, I just leave toll money in box.
Well, I've only got £20 note. You got your arcade money, Steve?
£1.50, £6. I can
Steve?
weigh you up once we stop. I think I've got a few quid on me.
Are you on? I can't hear you.
Pens and £20 notes. That's all I've got.
Yeah, I got 20.
I've got about £2 in change.
oh, what have I got? Hang on.
Steve's got it anyway.
He got a big bag load.
Look at his bike's going to come up about 6 inches once he takes that bag of thorns off.
You're not on comms.
You know, we
I thought it was nice and peaceful.
Did you need the £1.15 change, Andy?
no, we've got a whole. Steve's going to pay for it. We'll sort Steve out.
Put 6
worry
in,
about it.
Steve. Oh,
Oh, still in. So equals 750, isn't it?
£6.
6,
That's per motorcycle, not per person.
4, 5.
Which I think is a bit of a rip-off. We should only
6,
pay.
that's
We
it.
should only pay a
£6.
fiver. That's it, 6. But we should only pay a fiver because if you've got a car with 5 people in it, they get up for a fiver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously, coaches up here, yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine Coach coming round there.
Yeah, fuck that.
You wouldn't want to meet him on that last bend, would you?
Oh,
No.
there's another one in a minute. You ready?
I'll catch up.
All right.
Yeah, we'll go gentle. This is the thing with this sort of place. You want to go slow enough that you can enjoy it, you know, and
Yeah.
take in the odd view. And it's nice this time of year because you're not obstructed with all the leaves.
Yeah, and the fucking camper vans.
Yeah, I suppose it must get busy.
That's a fair old drop off down there, though.
It is.
Thanks for reminding me.
Hearing about one escort.
There, you get a good view there, sure.
Shut up.
Oh, that's good for sledging, wouldn't it?
You know,
That'd be good for sledging.
there's something coming down.
Right, there's a pothole right there on your line. Fucking things.
I'd have to be sped up a bit. I could have missed that there pothole.
The joys of
Anyway, why are you worried about potholes? They've got GS's.
Yeah.
Adventure bikes.
So you just went through it to show everyone where it was.
That's what I normally do.
That and I'm carrying about an extra 40 stone of weight on the bike.
That's
I
what
normally, with me, you normally, oh, fucking hell, pothole.
First time one was up the lakes, wasn't it? Minus shit the road.
Yeah, yeah.
Cattle grid.